not recording.
I know, I'm just saying with me. Jackson, you know I gotta have a crush. I can't help you, it's so beautiful. It really sounds like music.
I'm not recording anyway.
And I just say, Dracula cheats and clothes. Oh my god, I'm really so excited. But you're going out with clothes. I can't help it, but Jackson like impressing me. By the way, I wonder if Claudine's watching this because I kissed him in front of him. Not really. But I don't
Hey, I can't hear you.
Oh my god.
I mean, I'm videoing it. We're just playing.
I don't know what to do anymore. I cheated on him, but now I don't know what to do. Should I kill myself? No, don't be silly girl.
Sure, I'm recording it.
Thanks for everything. You're like a best help.
Well, you're not recording it.
This is my little cousin though. Hi YouTube. I'm trying not to cheat.